It's clock time, it's clock time. Do you love to tell time with me? I know it's hard on the analog clock, but I know you can do it. We also have our digital clocks like on our phone and in the classroom. We have it with the red writing. We're going to get working in our green math books today on page 51. And this time they're challenging us which one says the correct time, like 11:30 or 8 o'clock. I'm sure we can do it together. If we work together, it'll be so much easier. So page 51, green math book. I'll show you. Green math book, in case you forgot. 51, and then get your clock brain turned on, your math brain turned on. Let's do it. Here we go. Okay, I have page 51 right here. I'm going to make it as big as I can in the screen. I'm going to write my name, and we're going to be looking at the hands on the clock, just like we've been doing before. And this time, when we look at them, we have to say which one shows the correct way. So here it is. It says I'm going to pick either A or B, and I'm saying clock blank shows half past. Half past means our 30, right? So it's going to look at a 6, half past 11. And the way that I remember that is that the hand needs to go past or after the 11. So take a look. It is not after the 11 on this one. But yeah, it is on clock A. So we're going to write A right there. Good job. Okay. Let's read. Clock blank shows half past 2. So we know that half past means 30. And it goes after the 2. So let's take a look. Which one do we think it is? After the 2. Oh, that is definitely not after the 2. But that one is. So we're going with A again for awesome. Okay. Clock blank shows 6 o'clock. When we go to the O clocks, that means that it's facing the 12. But we want 6 o'clock. So one is going to 6 and one is facing the 12 numbers. One's going to, whoa, we got it. It's clock A again. I wonder if they're all A's. You don't think so? We'll have to find out. Clock blank shows 9:30. Okay. So if it's a 30, it should be on a 6 and a little bit after a 9. So here we go. We got it on the 6. Is it after? No. Yes, it's after the 9. So it has to be past it. So it's clock B for best. Clock blank shows half past 6. Remember, half past is the 30. Okay. So now we're looking. Which one is half past 6? Whoa, that one's past the 7, so sorry. That one is definitely past the 6. So you look closely in your book if it's ever blurry on the screen. It would be B. Okay, turn the page and let's keep working. We are now going to match up the clocks, and we've been getting really good at this, and I see that mine is definitely super blurry. Let me try to refix that for you. Oh, that's better. Okay, so when we look at the first clock, we're like, oh, this is... on the 7 and a 12, 7 o'clock. Let's find it. Drive to the 7 o'clock right there in the middle. Now, that's how you write it out, but which one over here on the digital clock shows it? You got it. This one, 7 o'clock. Okay, the next clock looks like it is, okay, it's at a 6 and a little bit past the 5. So 6 means 30, 5, 30. Do you... Okay, now let's look. Really, we need one that says half past 5. Oh, that says half past 7, half past 1. No thanks. Half past 5. Yeah! All the way to the bottom. Now, which clock over here says 5:30? Yeah, that one. Match it up. Boop. Okay. C. Clock C. Take a look. It's at a 6, so I know that it's going to be something with a 30 in it. Now, it's not past the 2, it's past the 1, so 1:30 or half past 1. Half past 7, oh, here it is, half past 1. Whoop. Find the one that says 1:30 over here. Yeah, I just pointed to it at the bottom. Yeah, it is hard for your eyes to follow, but I bet you could do it. Okay, last one but for matching, and then we get to draw hands. Okay, it's on a 6, so that would mean 30 or half past. And it's not at the 8, so it's, oh, yeah, 7:30 or half past 7. There's only one more left. All the way to the top. and then right across to the 7:30. Awesome. Okay, now it says draw the minute hand and the hour hands on the clocks. So remember when it says 30, you're going straight to the 6 already, and then you're going to change out or move some right between the other numbers. So if it's 3:30, we'll draw the long, yep, you're right, all the way to the 6, long hand, and then draw past the 3, so right in between. Yep, but don't make it too long. Mine's a little bit too long. Okay, 8:30 to the 6 and a little bit past the 8, past the 8. Okay, 11 o'clock. Uh-oh, we won't get tricked on this one. They're going to go directly to the numbers. To the 12 and then directly pointing to the 11, 11 o'clock. 6 o'clock, you're right. So directly to the 12 and directly to the 6, a little bit shorter. 4:30, go to the 6 for 30 and a little bit past the 4. So in between, I like to go between them. 12:30, yeah, this one's tricky, but you could do it. Go to the 6 and then a little bit past the 12 right there. Nice work. Okay, try that homework page by yourself. See you later.